on penkala Shaki Referral Unit Baningkong ban ai yakijing sumar bakirki bat kiwe ki benta hakabe day bakakot kakhia hakawat Baningkong on itu hadu shipotuli ki KHASI aba pentip yakani usketri ukatnat kakot kakhia Ram Kumar S ulaong balai pungut ki doktor kidang don hachanai nakabenta ka jing penbit penbiang ba nriu banai hakilyang per kum haka ultra sonography ka life saving skills ka emergency observatory care karukom poi khun C-section bat kiwe hadian bakini ki doktor kelawan pai syaka jala ho banai jeliu on sapa yaki haki KHASI belajit yathu Ram Kumar nalo kani ketanat ki kot kakhia ka kwa ru ban penkelano ya number covid helpline iwe sau iwe not show helpline number bapura nakabenta kinu kimat be day bakakot kakhia ong Ram Kumar.
The government to train our doctors in three major topics: ultrasonography, life-saving anesthetic skills, LSAS, and CMO, Comprehensive Emergency Obstetric Care. And the 1410 helpline that has been made into a much larger helpline now. So as you know, we have started the medical corporation, so the medical for the medical drugs and surgicals and equipment. We have started a corporation which is looking into professionally into supply of these drugs and diagnostics completely online. We are just about to go online. We have had a lot of training and